Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data science workflows with GitHub, full guide step by step clearly. First, understand the importance of managing data science workflows effectively. GitHub serves as an excellent platform for collaboration and version control in data science projects. Begin by creating a GitHub account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, create a new repository for your data science project. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of your project. Select either public or private depending on your project's confidentiality needs. Initialize the repository with a README file to provide an overview of your project. Next, clone the repository to your local machine using the command line or GitHub desktop. In your local directory, create a structured folder system for your project. Common folders include data, notebooks, scripts, and results. Download and organize your datasets into the data folder. Ensure you include a .gitignore file to avoid tracking unnecessary files, like temporary files and environment settings. When you start writing code in Jupyter Notebooks or scripts, save them in the scripts or notebooks folder. Regularly commit your changes using git commands to track your progress. Use meaningful commit messages to describe the changes made in each commit. Push your commits to the remote repository on GitHub to back up your work. Collaborate with team members by inviting them to your repository. Assign roles for collaboration, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Utilize GitHub issues to document tasks, bugs, or feature requests. Create branches for experimental features or major changes to keep your main branch stable. Merge branches back into the main branch once you've finalized changes and resolved conflicts. Use pull requests as a way to review code changes with your team before merging. Incorporate continuous integration services to automate testing and deployment for your project. Regularly update your documentation to keep it aligned with your project's progress. Monitor your repository's insights to track contributions and project activity. Finally, archive your repository upon project completion for future reference. This structured approach will help you manage your data science workflows efficiently using GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.